Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an exciting topic: how to make money with AI. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized various industries, and it presents numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs and enthusiasts alike. So, if you're interested in capitalizing on AI's potential, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Section 1. Understanding AI's potential. Before we get started, let's briefly discuss the immense potential of AI. 1.1 Defining AI. AI is a field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that would typically require human intelligence. Examples: natural language processing, computer vision, machine learning, and robotics. 1.2 AI's impact on industries. Discuss how AI has transformed various industries like healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and marketing. Highlight examples such as personalized recommendations, fraud detection, autonomous vehicles, and medical diagnosis. Section 2. Identifying lucrative AI opportunities. Host. Now that we understand AI's potential impact, let's explore some lucrative opportunities to make money with AI. 2.1 AI Consulting. Explain how you can offer consulting services to businesses seeking to integrate AI solutions. Discuss the importance of understanding their specific needs, providing tailored AI strategies, and assisting with implementation. 2.2 Developing AI Applications. Highlight the demand for AI applications and how you can create your own. Mention popular platforms like TensorFlow and PyTorch for building AI models. Suggest starting with smaller projects and gradually expanding your portfolio. Section 3. Monetizing AI Projects. 3 minutes. Host. Now that you have an AI project, it's time to monetize it effectively. Here are some strategies. 3.1 Software as a Service, SaaS. Explain how you can develop AI-based software tools or platforms and offer them as a service to businesses or individuals. Discuss potential niches such as AI-powered data analytics, chatbots, or image recognition. 3.2 AI-powered products. Highlight the possibility of creating physical products enhanced by AI, such as smart home devices or wearable technology. Mention the importance of addressing consumer needs and creating user-friendly experiences. 3.3 Data Monetization. Discuss the value of data in the AI ecosystem. Explain how you can collect and analyze data, creating insights or selling anonymized datasets to businesses. Section 4. Upskilling and Networking. To succeed in the AI industry, continuous learning and networking are crucial. Let's discuss. 4.1 Upskilling. Encourage viewers to constantly update their skills and knowledge in AI through online courses, tutorials, and workshops. Suggest platforms like Coursera, edX, or Kaggle for learning opportunities. 4.2 Networking and Collaboration. Emphasize the importance of building connections with other professionals in the field. Suggest attending AI conferences, joining online communities, and participating in hackathons or AI competitions. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our video on how to make money with AI. Remember, AI is a rapidly growing field, and the opportunities it presents are vast. By understanding AI's potential, identifying lucrative opportunities, monetizing your projects, and continuously learning and networking, you can position yourself for success. So go ahead, embrace the power of AI, and start your journey to financial